Ever wondered what makes Greece's culinary world so extraordinary? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the secret tools chefs are using to revolutionize their cooking. Imagine your dish infused with Aegean Sea mist, thanks to innovative vaporizers. Expect to see molecular gastronomy making waves, transforming classic recipes. Unique ingredients like mastiha and saffron elevate dishes to new heights. Spoon sweets and delicate pastries shine brighter with modern techniques. This blend of old and new promises unforgettable dining experiences. Ready to savor Greece's modern marvels? Ever wondered what makes Greek cuisine so special? In the next few seconds, you'll explore the fusion of tradition and modern flair in Greek cooking. Imagine the aroma of fresh herbs and spices. Watch as traditional recipes meet cutting-edge culinary techniques. From centuries-old clay pots to state-of-the-art kitchen gadgets. Flavors blend, cultures unite. Witness the magic of creating mouth-watering dishes. Savor the vibrant colors and textures of Greek salads, souvlakis, and moussakas. Experience the zest of lemon and the richness of olive oil, straight from Greek groves. Discover the secrets behind perfecting that golden, crispy spanakopita. Don't miss the innovative twists on classic recipes. Want to taste the Greek flavors and experience food like never before? Greece is waiting for you. Come and experience culinary art at its best. Like what you see? Subscribe for more. F Charisto!